welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Wet Wednesday. It's going to be wet here in Northern California in a few days. Last night, I prepared a new dish from Ethiopia. It didn't turn out exactly how I expected. It was Misia Wat. I'm saying that totally wrong. But it uses two of the urban spice blends I put together just a few days ago. It looks nasty, but it tastes really good. I served it over jasmine rice. I will post up the recipe. Warning: it makes a lot. I guess I was too excited to make it that I didn't realize that it was going to make that much. I have leftovers, trust me, and I'm a guy at home alone, so I have leftovers, a lot of them. But it's really good. It's really good. If you can't find the seasoning, the urban spice blends, contact me. I'll make you some. Just for a small cost. That's it. All right. Tonight, I know what I stated and posted. This is supposed to be Sloppy Joe's night. But actually, I'm turning this into pulled turkey sandwiches. It's the same sauce base, but I'm using shredded turkey from Thanksgiving. Yeah. All right, let's take a look. Got a skillet, and I have a sheet pan going. The sheet pan is for the French fries that I'm going to serve. We have some ground turkey. This is going to be plenty of turkey for me. Dice up about a half of a red bell pepper. Dice up a yellow onion. I won't use the whole onion. There'll be some garlic. And for the sauce, a good old Heinz tomato ketchup, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, some smoked paprika, Galleggo chili powder, cumin powder, and ground mustard. I'll be serving that on brioche-style bread, and of course the good old extra crispy Ore-Ida French fries. Wow, I sound like a commercial sometimes. I have no sponsors, I promise. I have no sponsors. All right. On this wet Wednesday, preparing for Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.